What if I tell you that FFLC is not just about taking a trade, it's about understanding why the trade should work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take trades using FFLC strategy, but this time we are going much deeper. I'll break down the confirmation, the market logic, the candle behavior, and the exact reasoning behind every trade, so you are not just blindly following the entry. This is an advanced concept, and honestly, this video would completely change the way you look at FFLC. If you want to improve your trading and understand the logic behind your entries, watch the video until the very end. But if your goal is to blow your account, you can always skip it. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright traders, I'm taking a put entry right at the opening of the next candle. Now there are actually two possibilities here. The first possibility is that the market has already fulfilled the last green candle, that is FFLC has completed, and if you look closely, the combination of three red candles has completely covered the last green candle, which means market could potentially reverse from here. And yes, the market can give us one green candle. I'm fully aware of that possibility. But here's why I'm still taking the put entry. My first confirmation is the major trend. I'm taking trade in the direction of the overall market movement, which gives us our first layer of confirmation. The second confirmation is that there is no immediate support and resistance in our entry area. So there's nothing obvious directly in front of our trade that could immediately stop the movement. And the third confirmation is that the strength of last two red candle. If you compare them, you can clearly see that the most recent red candle is much more stronger than the previous one. That increased bearish momentum is another reason I'm confident with my put entry. Now watch what happened. Market reversed with a green candle. Why? Because I was fully aware that market can potentially reverse, because FFLC has already completed. Without any support and resistance, market reversed with a green candle, but I'm still taking one more put entry because now I'm fully confident that market is going to go down. As I've already said, I am taking trade on the basis of major trend. The market did exactly reverse with a green candle, exactly like I discussed earlier, but this is the most important part. I was already prepared for that possibility, and I wasn't taking trade because I expected every candle to move perfectly in my direction. I was taking it because I had multiple confirmations supporting my setup, and this is exactly what FFLC is about. It's not about blindly predicting the next candle, it's about understanding the logic, confirmation, candle strength, and market structure behind your entry. Now look at this trade. This trade is perfectly going in my favor, exactly how I anticipated. Now after this, I am going one more put entry because, as I already said, that the support level is not yet touched. I will still go with put entry after this candle as well if the support is not tested. Now look closely the logic behind this trade. There is our support. That is a very weak support, not necessarily to be a strong one. Now, if you see the last red candle, it is pretty strong, but here's one problem. The last red candle has completely fulfilled our green candle. That is FFLC was happened, right? FFLC completed. So market has equal chances to print green candle, which it is doing. But even if I was fully aware that market can print one more green candle, I still took my put entry because I have multiple confirmation to support my trade. I'm taking trade in the direction of major trend, and I am also taking trade on basis of minor trend as well. Now, even if the market printed green candle, it did not touch our support area. The gap is still yet to be filled, which is why I'm going with my multiple put entry confirmations. So whenever FFLC is completed and you are taking trade on the direction of major and minor trend, don't worry about your loss. Just keep focus on your trade. You have to align it with multiple confirmation, just like how I did. And now market has 100% chances to go down. Now let's see how this candle closes. If this candle does not completely fulfill our previous green candle and closes without completing the FFLC, I will be looking for one more put entry on the same chart. And here's the logic behind it. The next candle has a high probability of filling the remaining gap and testing the support area, which is still untested. So if that happens, the combination of these two red red candle should be enough to complete FFLC, the previous green candle, and once that happens, our FFLC target will be completed. Now, just as I anticipated, the last red candle did not completely fulfill our green candle, so market has zero possibility of reversing when this situation happens, because all of the factors are aligned. We have got multiple confirmations and FFLC is not yet to be fulfilled, right? So that is the reason why I've taken one more put entry, and according to my analysis, the next candle should test our support area and complete our FFLC. And look at that trade. This is a beautiful FFLC setup with multiple confirmation coming together perfectly, and as you can see, our FFLC has now been completed, fulfilled the target, and the market has also tested our support area exactly as I expected. And from this point, the market can move in either direction, so I'm not going to take any more trades on this particular chart, and this is exactly how you should approach on FFLC trade. Look for multiple confirmations and make sure your FFLC setup is aligned with both the major and minor direction of the trend. The more confirmation you have supporting your setup, the better your trade probability can be. This is the real power of FFLC, that is fulfill last candle. All right guys, I hope you understand the concept now. I want you to try this in your demo account, and if you are not yet part of my Telegram, make sure to join it. The link is in my bio. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading.